Hello and welcome to a new cooking video. I love making these and I know you like them too, so I thought it's been quite long and it's nice to share some new recipes that I made. In today's video I'm gonna share super nice, healthy, wholesome, rich in nutrients salad bowls. They're great for lunch or dinner, even breakfast if you like. And they're just gonna be like a little bit more like wholesome than like a super light bowl, and thereby it's like a great meal. So yeah, I'm excited. And today we're gonna start with a Greekish quinoa, feta cheese, olives kind of bowl. So let's just start. Preparing the quinoa, I'm using this one from Lassi. It's a brand we use a lot in the Netherlands, and this one is like mixed, so it also has like the darker quinoa with the lighter one. I love that because it's a little bit more like nutty, which I love. Gonna prep that as written on the package. I just washed my cute sweet cherry tomatoes. I love these colors. I'm gonna cut these with the cucumber and the feta cheese. So let's do that. Okay, so this literally took me not even 3 minutes. And then the quinoa is almost done. I'm gonna let it cool down a bit, otherwise it's gonna get like saggy, I don't know. And then I'm gonna grill these pumpkin seeds in a pan. Let me show you. And then I'm gonna add the quinoa to the veggies and feta, and then I'm gonna top it with like hummus. I have regular hummus and spicy mango. I think this one is gonna be really good with it. So yeah, let's make the bowls. Okay, I mean, how easy and delicious, and this is so good for meal preparation. So I wouldn't add the hummus yet, and I would just like put it like in the fridge in like Tupperware. Yeah, so I just sprinkled a little bit of olive oil and some like lemon or lime juice, and then I found this like new dressing here. It's with dill and cucumber, so I think that might be like the perfect finishing touch. So let's add this on top. I expected it to be like a cute like drizzle thing. Ooh, this is gonna be great. Okay, sorry, I like attacked because it's literally one of the better recipes, and it's so easy. It makes me remind a bit even of what I was making in college. You gotta try this. Hello and welcome to the second recipe. Today it's gonna be like a noodle Asian kind of salad. Like, it's gonna be delicious. A little bit more work than the recipe of yesterday, but so worth it. So let's just get started with boiling some water there. We're gonna add the chicken fillet, but also we're gonna add some coconut milk, lemongrass, ginger, and then I'm gonna bake the mushrooms as well. I'm gonna get the noodles done. So let's just have a look. Okay, so the water is boiling for the noodles. I'm gonna add these. The chicken is almost done. We're gonna let that, like, take the chicken out of like the liquid and let it cool down before we like cool it. I was like, what's the word? Cooling. And then we have the shishake here in sesame oil. And honestly, basically that's it. I'm gonna make like a little dressing situation here with some fish sauce, some lemon juice, ginger. Yeah, so let's make that together. Oh my god, okay, it's getting hot in here. So as you saw, I just put everything together with the dressing and then like some lamb lettuce, mint, cilantro, pepper, some salt. It really is so good. Let me mix it. And make sure you really rinse the noodles with cold water so it's, you know, so it's like not too hot and everything is cooled down, because otherwise like the herbs and salad, it's not gonna be good. So make sure everything's cooled down, because that's when you get like an actual salad, obviously. I'm gonna use the blue one for this. Look at that, it looks so delicious, it really is. So before we taste it, let me actually introduce you to the Core Code app if you're not a member yet. You might know it from my workout, but since we're doing a recipe video today, I would like to share that you can find like so many super delicious and healthy recipes in here. And it's gonna be like, the library is growing, so I'm gonna keep updating a lot of recipes, and it's exactly written how much of every ingredient and how to make it. So also for today's like recipes, everything will be written down there perfectly, and you can enjoy a 7-day free trial. But first, let's get back to this amazing bowl. It's like crazy to me what like fresh herbs will do. And a little bit of like mayonnaise. It is so fresh and so good. I know my daughter's gonna love this too. Okay, see you tomorrow for the last meal. Hello and welcome to the last lunch bowl or salad bowl for this video. Today is gonna be more of like a Mexican style. So we started with the Greek style, then we had the Asian style, and now it's gonna be more Mexican. Kinda, not really, but it's gonna be nice. So this recipe is great to meal prep as well. And it's a little bit more work. So we're gonna actually bake the minced beef. We're gonna use the air fryer or the oven to get our sweet potato done. So it's a little bit more work, so this one thereby is great for meal preparation. Maybe you can make it for like a few portions and have lunch with it every day or something like that. So yeah, it's gonna be super nice bowl. And I was like, let's add some mango. I already took the skin off because it's so summery out here. It's getting like hotter and hotter. Another heat wave, I guess. So I'm so curious. I feel like everywhere in Europe, maybe even everywhere else, it's just a really hot summer. I'm not complaining. I kind of like it. Yeah, so let's just get ready with the last dish. Okay, I'm making this meal and I'm realizing it's actually not Mexican at all, so don't come at me. But it's gonna be good. Okay, so I guess almost everything is done. We're gonna build the plate. So come with me. Okay, so sorry for leaving this weird, but what we're gonna put on the plate is the minced beef, the sweet potato, then we have avocado, mango, some tomatoes for extra veggies, and then cottage cheese and some cilantro just to top it with, and maybe flavor it with a little bit of like olive oil and stuff. So let's make it. Look at all these colors. This is so delicious, and so you can really easily prep it. You can even like put all the different ingredients in different boxes, or you just put it like all together. And then obviously the way to eat it is like mix it, kind of blend it all together. Let me actually make a plate for my boyfriend as well and end this video. I hope you loved the recipe video like this. I'm planning to do a little bit more talking videos, a little bit more what I eat in a day, a little bit more cooking, like all of that, maybe even motherhood. So any recommendations, any requests, let me know. Because I saw that my last video about like different things that I experienced as a mother, I saw that a lot of people liked that one. So I was like, maybe I should share a bit more about the things I experienced, or maybe a little bit more about me as a person. If you aren't a member yet of the Core Code app, please go check it out, because it also includes amazing structured workout programs to follow for specific like goals you have. So I am so excited, and thank you guys for watching. Love you.